Hey guys, so today I want to show you a product that I like to use whenever I have pimples on my face. ZitSticka is such a great product to use. It has a special micro dart technology that releases these active ingredients beneath the surface of the skin and into the heart of the pimple. I want to show you guys how I like to apply this product. Step 1, cleaner. I like to use this just to make sure that that area where the pimple is has no product on. Step 2 is the KILLA ZitSticka patch. This patch is great because it contains hyaluronic acid, which is a moisture agent. It really hydrates that area. I also like it because it just helps even out my skin. Just swipe the affected area where the pimple is and then apply your patch with the micro darts on top of the pimple. They will generally dissolve within the first 2 hours, but I do recommend leaving it on overnight. I like to put it on right before I go to bed and then take it off when I wake up. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and dermatologist backed. I highly recommend this product.